Hi guys, it's Pandas Data Diaries with another episode on working with data-related tasks and presenting some shortcuts from real-life experience. So today we're looking at a Pandas data frame again. I've already loaded test data frame and we want to identify the column IDs that you usually need when you want to manipulate data frames. And they're not shown right away, so there is a shortcut to display these. And let's walk through this test scenario and I will show you how to get the IDs that you need. So I've already loaded the test data frame in here and I will show you first of all how do you actually get to seeing the IDs in a list. So you just use the testdf test data frame and pass it the columns. It will show you something like this here: test column 1, test column 2, test column 3. So that's already good to have this list, but still we don't have the real IDs. So what you can do here is you can work with the list comprehension and the enumerate function to return the actual column IDs. So first of all, I'm passing it a tuple in here saying counter. I'm just going to pass a counter variable and also the column. And then I will iterate saying for counter and also column in, and as I mentioned, use the enumerate function, standard Python enumerate function, and pass it the list the column is. So it's testdf dot columns, and I will print it out. And in here you will see quite nicely the counter basically displays the actual column ID. And here you see also that the test IDs that I put in the column name are not correct. So we have here test column 1, but it has the ID 0 because column counting starts at 0. You might ask, why is this useful? This is not super useful when you're working with like small data frames, but as soon as you have a wide data frame that consists of many columns, then you don't want to go through and count the IDs, so you need a way to display them, and that's a shorthand to do that. Okay, that's all that I wanted to show you for today. Hope you find this useful. See you next time. Bye.